Hello guys, today I am going to start on the topic of food classification. See this pyramid, food guide pyramid. In this, other foods like this, soda, and milk group, meat group, vegetable group, and fruit group, and grain group, like this. Okay, before going to start this topic, I will show you the application, how we build the application for this model so that you can come to know our model and application. Okay, this is the home page for the application. Inside this, you can find out the group food classification. So first of all, you have to click on this food classification. We can able to classify the food item. Okay, so click here. Then food classification, please upload the clear image so you can find out the type of food. Choose the file. Okay, first you have to choose the file. Okay, these are type of food images, so you can find out individually by doing this project. Okay, you can select any one from this. Okay, I will select this one. Okay, then predict this food classification. It will predict the classification. See, it classified the food as a burger. Food details like this. Food is burger and food type is a popular food fast sorry food type is a popular fast food made with a cooked patty placed inside a sliced bun, often served with the vegetables and sauces. Resources: best enjoyed hot with fries and soft drink, customized with topping like cheese, lettuce and tomatoes. Like this our application is look like. Okay, so now we'll go to start the model, sorry, explanation of this project. Okay, this is a image of the food type of food guide pyramid. Okay, now I will explain it. Before that, we took two research paper for doing this project. To building this model we did collected two research papers. They are like this. First one is automated food image classification using deep learning approaches. Okay, this one is one research paper. This contains this many type of information. And another one is recognition based on deep learning algorithm. Okay, this is contain this like these tables, all of this. Okay, okay. Now I will explain by keeping this in mind for these two research paper. Okay, okay. Introduction for this. Welcome to this video on automated food image classification using deep learning algorithms. In this presentation we will explore and compare two recent approaches that use deep learning to recognize food items from images. Let's dive into the models, preprocessing techniques, accuracy, loss, and classification outcome of each method. Model overview. Okay, the first research paper implemented two popular deep learning models like SwitchNet and VGG16. Both are pre-trained conventional neural networks, that's CNN, known for their performance on large image datasets. The second paper used a custom conventional neural network, that's CNN, and a deeper architectures. The ResNet 50, which is designed to For this, pre-processing techniques. In the first study, pre-processing include advanced data augmentation like image rotation, reflection, and translation to tackle on this. In contrast, the second study focused on RGB, normalized and resizing, where images were scaled and RGB value compresses. Dataset and classes. The first paper used a subset of the food 101 dataset, selecting 10 Indian food categories with 5,000 total images. The second paper worked with a smaller dataset of 6 food categories such as apple, orange, avocado, milk, Milo, cocoa, and Vico. Accuracy and performance of these both research papers. In the first paper, SqueezeNet achieved 77.02% validation accuracy, while VGG16 reached 85.07%. In the second study, the custom CNN achieved 98.67% accuracy. The RESTnet achieved 96.67%. The similar CNN architecture showed better generalization on the given dataset. Classification outcome for these research papers. The VGG16 model effectively captured complex features in Indian food images. Meanwhile, RESTnet sometimes misclassified items due to similar color distributions. Conclusion for this, VGG16 delivered strong result on large dataset using transfer learning. The custom CNN showed excellent performance on smaller datasets. Ultimately, model choices depend on dataset nature and classification goals. Okay, coming to, for overcome this, we built a model. Okay, we built a model. In this, we collected a dataset from the Kaggle, that is Indian food classification. This contains these many type of folders, such as they have individually food items like burger, butter naan, chai, chapati, chole bhature, dal makhani, dokla, fried rice, like this. The individual folder contains many sub files like images. Okay, now coming to our model. So in model, required classes, we given this many types of classes like burger, butter naan, chai, which I have already shown you. Okay, then we did an argument image argumentation, data balancing, and pre-processing, preparation, and data analyzing, and saving data validation. Everything we did in this model, and this is the process and save with the subclasses like this. They will processed and saved. After that, we shown image distribution by class like this. All are distributed uniformly. Okay, 0 to 500. Then these are type of food types which are added in the class subclasses. Okay, burger, butter naan, chai, chapati, chole bhature, like etc. Then we took an EfficientNet model. In that, we built this. First we did 20 boxes. In that, we got first earlier in first step, loss of 4.1161, accuracy of 0.0691, validate loss is 3.6079, validate accuracy is 0.110. As going it inside there, the final we got loss of 0.6806, accuracy of 0.9715, validate loss is 0.5617, validate accuracy is 0.98. That's 98 percentage. See the training and validation loss versus epochs. Graph of this. Okay, another one is training and validation accuracy versus epochs. This graph. See how this going. Both are different. Okay, coming to our test accuracy, that's 0.97.6. Okay, 97.60. Confusion matrix is this predicted levels and true levels. Okay, then coming to grade cam, inside this we have this original image app burger, then grid cam heat map. This is image for grid cam and this is heat map overlay for the grid cam. Okay, this is our model like this. Now coming to classification, this one is back end. Now front end, this is front end, that is application. Inside this, first we will see the home page. In this home verification, food classification, upload clear image. Okay, our service. Inside this food classification, we can able to classify the food item, so we have to click here to find out the classification of food, which type of food is this. Okay, by choosing individually food classification, please upload the clear image so that we can predict the name of type of food. Okay, choose the file. Hmm. This many types of food images are there. Okay, first we will go individual by this, it will show or not, let's see. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, and predict this. Okay, we got this food rice, fried rice. Food detail, food name is fried rice. Food type is a stir fried dish combined cooked rice with vegetables, eggs and sauces, often influenced by Chinese cuisine. Resources as serve hot with sides like Manchurian or spring rolls. Okay, this one is one type. Let's find out the another one type. Choose the file. We got this one. Now you will find out this one. Name of this food item. Okay. Okay, you got chapati. Food name is chapati. Food type an unleavened Indian flatbread made from whole wheat flour cooked on a flat skillet. So resources serve warm with vegetables, lentils or curry. Okay. Let's see another one. Choose the file. Oh, these both are completed. Now we will select on this. Okay, select. Okay, open it. Now predict the food type. See the name of this Pani Puri. Name is Pani Puri. Food type is a popular Indian street snack made from crispy puris filled with tangy spicy water and filling like potatoes or chickpeas. Resources are assemble and eat immediately to enjoy the crunch. Okay. Next, predict another one. Select this. Let's see the type of food. Okay, select this. Predict which type of food. Okay, this is masala dosa. We got this. By seeing the image, you can tell it. But in computer, it can't see. It will deep in the deep learning. It will do everything on programming. So food detail. Food food is masala dosa. Food type is a South Indian form. Fermented rice and little crepe filled with a spicy potato mixture. Resources are served crisps, crisps with coconut chutney and sambar. Let's see another one. We find out this. Okay, now find out this. This is like a look like a burger. Let's see it will predict or no. Yeah, it predicted the burger. Food type burger, a popular fast food made with a cooked fatty placed inside a sliced bun, often served with vegetable and sauces. Resources for this: best enjoyed hot with fries and a soft drink. customize with topping like cheese, like lettuce and tomatoes. Next, find out the another one. Okay, this one is last, and then we will complete our project. Predict this one. Okay, this is chai. Food type is chai. Food name is chai. Food type a traditional Indian tea brewed with milk, spices, and sugar, famous for its rich flavor. Resources served hot in small cups, perfect for snacks or morning refreshment. Refreshment. Okay, like this our project. Okay, then if you have any doubt regarding this project, you can contact us on WhatsApp number. We have already given. Then if you need any code regarding this project, and front end back end code also available, you can contact us through email id or our website through, and also in YouTube we given downside, we given our contact number also. Thank you for watching this video.